tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa slides ha. Yan, kung nakikita nyo, pabalik muna tayo, Sir Ben. No, bakit mahirap maging teacher? Kasi sabi ko, effort, sacrifices, including your money. Why? Because the government, hindi naman talaga nila inaalat ang tama sa mga public school. So, you really need put some extra money and syempre hindi mo naman pwedeng hindi rin hahatiin ito sa family mo. So, as you can see on your screen po, yung background ko sa pagiging teacher ko is 5,000 lang po yung sinasahod ko talaga. So, payslip ko po yan, pero ang nakalagay dyan is 2021 because I started doing Riway International or sharing about the fourth year placenta noong March 2021 po. No, so ibig sabihin after nangyari nung pandemic, naghanap na po talaga ako ng ibang pwedeng pagkakitaan, no, during that time. To the point na naisip ko na nga nung gusto ko mag-Japan, maging assistant teacher na lang sa Japan. Nagsabi na ako sa mother ko noon. Pero kasi tawag dito, being an OFW kasi parang hindi ko siya gugustuhin na mangyari sa akin. Why? Kasi nabuhay po ako na ang mother ko, simula 3 years old ako, is an OFW. So ayokong maulit sa mga anak ko, sa anak ko na malayo yung kanilang magulang. So, what happened, no? 2018, nabanggit na ito ng brother ko about the fourth year placenta. Pero alam nyo naman, ewan ko if you will agree with me sa nakaka-experience ng mga leader dyan, no? Kapag kasi yung taong gusto mong sharean ay tingin niya, no? Okay pa siya financially, okay pa siya tawag dito sa health, no? Hindi ka talaga papansinin yan. Kaya wag po kayong malungkot kasi isa po ako sa mga ganun. Noong 2018, nabanggit na po ng brother ko about fourth year, no? Maraming salamat po, nandiyan si Sir Ivan and si Ma'am Donna, no, our mentor sa YPM. Nabanggit niya na ito, kaso hindi ko pinansin kasi nga okay naman ako. So what happened, siguro God really have this amazing or mysterious way kung paano tayo tatapikin ni Lord. So, noong 2019 po, December, nasugod ako sa emergency ng UMC sa mga taga Dasmariñas. No, dito lang po yan malapit sa amin sa Aguinaldo Highway. So, nang nasugod ako, no, January 2, kinailangan ko pong mag-underwent ng isang laboratory, which is the endoscopic retrograde. Basta yun nandyan po, no? So, ibig sabihin po, kinailangan kong ihiga dyan sa machine na yan, pumasok dyan, kasi po, yung upper right quadrant po ng aking tiyan ay talagang sobrang sakit. So, ibig sabihin, tinapik ako ni Lord, yun pala, in relation dun sa kaninang testimony, ako po ay may bato sa abdo. Sa abdo naman, kanina kidney si Sir Jay. So, ngayon, itong brother ko po si Sir Ivan, pumunta dito sa bahay nung nalaman niya na gusto kong, nung 2020 na yan, ang sabi ng doktor sa akin, no, nung surgeon, babalik ulit yung sakit niyan, mawawala at babalik. Pero by the time na sumakit na ng sobra, mamili na daw po ako na magpa-opera dahil kailangan ng tanggalin si gallbladder ko. So ngayon, ang ginawa ko niyan, ladies and gentlemen, no, nagpapayat po talaga ako from 60 kilos down to 52 kilos po ako during the pandemic. So, ganun ko inalagaan yung health ko kasi nga health na eh. Tapos, pinaghanda ko ng 200,000 sa ospital. Eto na po, came 2021. Ako po ay naging makulit na naman sa katawan ko. Kumakain ng sangyup dito, sangyup doon. Hanggang nung mag-March, kinailangan ko na namang isugod sa ospital. At kailangan ko na pong ipatanggal yung abdo. But then again, yung brother ko po, si Sir Ivan and si Ma'am Donna, pumunta dito sa bahay, inintroduce ulit si fourth year. Diba? Doon lang po ako na kinig kasi nasa bingit na ako ng pangangailangan. Tama po ba? May kilala ba kayong ganon? No? Kung kailan nasa bingit ng pangangailangan, saka kayo papakinggan. So marami tayong kaibigan ganyan at kapamilya. Correct? Ngayon, di pinakinggan ko pa yung kuya ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero the moment they presented to me, no, especially si Ma'am Donna, yung product, alam niyo po ba agad ang naisip ko, kung this is really a stem cell, it could potentially help many people. Sabi ko po talaga. Kasi nga, ang alam kong may alam lang ng stem cell, the rich and famous. Tama po ba? So, ibig sabihin, aside from that, may opportunity na akong naiisip sa kanya. Tama? So, ngayon, sige po, next po. Bibilisan ko na, no, yung kwento. Next po, ayan. So, how I started, you know, sa mga may personal na nakakakilala po sa akin, namimili lang po talaga ako ng, before, namimili lang po talaga ako ng mga taong, tawag dito, ng mga taong papakisamahan ko, kakausapin ko, no? It's because siguro may ganun akong character before, no? Although masiyahin akong tao, pero palagi ko akong tinitingnan as parang stricta or dominante daw. So, hindi ko inasahan. Ito po ha, the task po sa akin is to share my career testimony. And alam niyo po ba, bago ko gawin ulit itong testimony ko na to, binalikan ko po muna yung meaning ng career. So, yung career po, pag sinearch nyo sa Google, it's an occupation undertaken for a significant period of a person's life and with opportunities for progress. So, ibig sabihin, it's ginagawa mo siya araw-araw bilang isang trabaho mo na pwedeng may mahalaga o kahalagahang maidudulot sa'yo sa paglago mo sa buhay. So, ganun siya, no? So, nung na-realize ko, actually, going Riway International, hindi pa po ganun yung achievement ko, to tell you honestly. But in realizing what should be the things that I will be sharing with you are these things po na iisa-isahin ko, no? This is not about the material things that you will be hearing or you will be imagining po, but I believe Riway International is beyond that kind of achievements po kasi. Why? Kasi as you can see on your screen, no, the first thing that I did when the time that I engaged po kay Riway International is I developed my social skills and expanding my environment. You know, being a teacher na sa 4 na sulok lang po kami ng classroom. Tama po ba? But, no, imagine, no, tingin po dyan sa screen nyo, I attended the OPP sa Balinsasayaw Dasma. That was the first time. I attended the NDO. I attended the LTS. You know why? No? Because knowing this kind of company, Riway International, as a multi-billion-dollar company, you yourself, you really need to develop your skills in, diba, socializing to other people. And socializing to other people not only means to talking to them or talking with them. Tama po ba? Sige nga po, next po tayo. Ayan. So, socializing here is knowing your character as an individual. And ang makakatulong po sa'yo, maraming salamat dito kay Riway because we have a different kinds of trainings. Example, kanina yung NDO, yung LTS, and this one, yung training namin with Accelerate, no, tandang-tanda ko po ito, August 3, 2021, no, sa may Esteraja Mills, no. Nag-uumpisa pa lang po ang YPM niyan. So, ibig sabihin dito, no, hindi mo masasabi na ang career pala ng mga nasa MLM or multi-level marketing is just selling the product. No. Kasi mali yung thinking ng mga tao sa MLM. Tama, ay, scam yan. But, no, hindi nila alam, this company, Riway International, it's actually MLM, yes, but it's a leadership development business. Because, sige nga po, next po. No, you see, after the company and your team will train you, no, kailangan kikilusan mo yung nalaman mo sa training. Tama? I started sharing it to face-to-face, to a crowd presentation, even going to the barangay captains, even yung sa community, and even sa doctors. And of course, Zoom babies po kami dati nila Ma'am Donna, ni Ma'am Elijah, no? Lagi na po namin ginagawa itong Zoom. You know, there's no company that will train you for free. And everything that you learn, no, can actually help you to achieve the goal that you want in doing this kind of business kay Riway International. Because why? Sige po, pasunod nga po. No? Yan. Because why? Pagkatapos mong mag-train, pagkatapos mong kumausap ng tao, no, nade-develop yung skills mo, nagkakaroon kayo ng paunti-unting community na kayong lahat may same goal, may same direction. Tama po ba? Kasi you're going to influence people from the things that you learn from the trainings and of course from your mentors, always po yan, no? Ibig sabihin, you will get to have the relationship, no? that you will be tawag dito, acquiring or makukuha gaming, no, from those people na magtitiwala po sa inyo. And you know what? I really love Riway International because from 18 years old to up until anong edad ka po ngayon, you are welcome here sa ating company to share the advocacy of our product and our company. You see on your screen, no? Hindi po nagbibiro yung mga may age na tao na yan. No? Mga nire-respeto po natin yun. But then again, because of the culture that we have po dito sa ating company, no? Nagkakaroon po ng ganito. And most especially, sige po sir, salamat po, next na. And most especially those people who trusted you to share also the advocacy. Sige po, next na po, ayan, no? Hindi lang kayo dito puro telling. No, as you can see po, no, from the social skills that you will be developing here, you will get to have that kind of fellowship, no, together with those people or leaders, no, na madedevelop mo, na makakakitaan ka ng character. And most especially, no, I really love doing Riway International. It is because the fulfillment. You see, when you have that kind of the people or person or leaders, no, around you, no, na may isang goal, may isang kayong tawag dito direction, you know, you will get the fulfillment that you want to have. Why? No? Kasi alam mo, parang hindi siya after the sales. You know, the 4-year placenta that being flash po sa screen nyo ngayon, it is not about the sales that we have. But it is about the family and the person who will be taking it and you will be delivering it to them. Tama po ba? So, you know, all the things that I've been saying kanina pa po is actually the self, no, yung sa self mo. But, no, dito po kay Riway International, you can't do it alone. Sige po. Sige po, next po. As you can see on your screen, no man is an island. No, lahat po nung nakita nyong sales kanina, no, lahat po yan is because of our team, no, combining, doing it together, having one goal, no, nagkakaroon po talaga ng resulta. And I tell you, if you are naka-experience ka na po ng employment, no, may times na pababayaan ka ng senior mo. Tama po ba? O, gawin mo yan. Ito dapat ipasa daw yan, sabi ni principal. Ipasa daw, sabi ng head. But you know, here, tama po, no, extended family. Doing it together with your team, with those people who trusted you and you trusted, no, people you trusted. You know, napakadaling gawin nung iisang goal. And of course, no, this is not only about me. No, I tell you, no, the character that you will be getting here, kasabay mo din dito yung mga tao na kasama mong gawin siya. Like, nandiyan si Ma'am Elijah, si Ma'am Gladys, si Ma'am Jen, si Ma'am Nerlene, and of course, sunod na po. Next po. Naghang ba ako? Ayan. So, from there, no, you can see that everyone or each and everyone from our team, Young Professionals Movement, is doing their best to actually achieve that goal. And noong 2022 po, no, in just being, in following and duplicating what Ma'am Donna and Sir Ivan is doing, no, under the mentorship of them, no, I achieved po the Diamond 1 star. And of course, not only me, no, Ma'am Elijah, Ma'am Nerlene, Sir Anthony Astillero, Tita Cora, and Mr. Eddie Lino, under my organization, achieved also those ranks, no? Ibig sabihin, doable ba siya dito kay Riway? No, nagagawa ba talaga siya? Yes, nagagawa po siya. And I tell you, no, being a Diamond 1 star po, ay ibig sabihin po no, nagkaroon ka ng sales na nasa 1.23 million po in a month. Pero hindi mo yun magagawa mag-isa. Siyempre po, that's the reason why Young Professionals Movement, na kung mapapansin nyo po, weekly, we have Zoom, no, we have event, OPP event po, dito sa Dasma, sa Angono. It is because we have this kind of goal. And of course, sige po, next. Naghahang sa akin, ayan. So, pag ikaw ay mayroong deepest why, kung bakit mo ginagawa ang isang bagay. Ibig sabihin may nagda-drive sa'yo, tama, kung bakit mo ito patuloy na gagawin. As you can see on your screen po, the moment I started doing Riway International, actually, after 3 months of doing it, nabigyan ko na po ng libreng 2 bote yung mother ko, and then 1 bote yung aking lola. Tapos may extra pa kaming bote sa bahay palagi. You know, no, doing this kind of advocacy, there's no company that will give you that kind of tawag dito, privilege, no, that kind of thing. Na pag narinig niyo po yung presyo ng 1 bote ng Courtier, baka mapakamot po kayo, sabi ni Sir Brando, mapakamot kayo sa ulo kay Team Makate, no. But still, no, why am I doing this? It is because of my deepest why. That's my family. I'm prioritizing the health of my family. Sige po, next po. Naghahang talaga sa laptop ko. Ayan. So again, no, nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataong mabigyan po palagi, no, taon-taon po, ang pamilya ko ng isang set ng Courtier placenta nang hindi ko na kailangang utangin sa DepEd. Imagine po dyan, no? I cannot provide that kind of amount of money, but here in Riway International, you put everything that you learn, you put your effort, you submit to your mentors and follow them and duplicate them and do it the right way. Ladies and gentlemen, no, nakikita ni Lord ang ginagawa natin, bibiyayaan po niya tayo. And for me, ang biyaya po talaga sa akin is makapag-take ang aking pamilya ng 4th-year placenta ng libre. Next po. Now, hindi lang sila. Siyempre, ako din po, nag-take ako niyan. Kung nagtatanong kayo kung pwede ba yan sa buntis, yes, nakapag-take po ako niyan ng buntis ako. Paglabas naman po ng aking baby, ang baby ko naman po ay within normal limits sa kanyang newborn screening. Yes po. Sige po, next na po tayo. Ayan, sige po, next pa po. Ayan. So, again, no, I will not show you yung mga achievement, yung material things. Kasi, I guess, no, itong career for me is not about